Okay. It's not a 2-minute search, it's not a live session, but I did see a lot of people search on this. So I wanted to show you something that is better. It's Alpha 1 iBot. Take a look at the top left corner. I did today run this robot and I got my third loss. But pay attention, I have won 53 times. So it's an amazing robot, so why should you do a 2-minute trading strategy when you have something so good? So I wanted to show for you all this better way to use a robot trading for you. I'm then talking about Alpha 1 iBot. It's a robot that I have made that you can get completely for free, and you only can get this robot using my link. You can use the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, by using my link, you get a minimum deposit of $100 compared with normal $250. Also, by using my promo code, you get 100% on your first deposit. So, make your first deposit count, okay? If you like this type of videos, a lazy way to make money, because basically if you take a look on my channel, it's different lazy ways, forex robots, many different type of binary option robots. Lazy but good way to make money. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. So, let me show you now how amazing this robot is, and let's see how much money you can make in this video. And just like that, let's see how much money we made now. $2,327 in matter of 7 minutes. So, for the ones that follow me, you did see I lost the last trade today. So I did one video before this. Typically I just do one video a day, but this time around we turn it around and we made profit. Okay, so super stoked. So now we have won 54 times and only lost 3 times with this robot. Yes, you heard correct. 54 times win and just 3 losses. You can run this robot also, link below the video. Make sure you use the promo code also so you get 100% on your first deposit. So with that, have an amazing day.